Everybody and welcome to Kids Tech E-Launch. So today on our channel we are going to see my easy and systematic way of uploading my YouTube videos. But before I tell you my organized manner, please do subscribe to the channel, do hit the bell icon and do like this video. And do comment below if any suggestions for me for this video. Pro tip upon it is decide my topic. Well, deciding a topic for your videos can be very difficult also, but if you work systematically and if you work daily upon it, it would be much easier. I don't say that you should work daily and find new topics for yourself, but I have a very easy hack for this. Just keep a small notebook which you can take everywhere you go. Well, you can also take your phone for this, and whenever you get an idea for your video, a new topic for your video, just note them down on that list. So whenever you note down or whenever you are sitting to make your videos, then you would already have a pre-made list for yourself of topics. Then you would be able to take out a lot of stress out of your life in making your YouTube videos and deciding their topics, which is a very fussy task. Is write down your keywords. Well, after you have completed with your topic list, you should even write the keywords along. Like for a specific topic, write all the points and keywords which you have to cover in your video and which are compulsory to cover. Because that would take a lot of stress of remembering and a lot of stress in your mind that I have to cover these points. And plus, even if by chance you forget one of the points, then you can still go on because your points are already written. I don't say that write the whole script you want to say, but just write the key points which you want to cover. So that even if you forget one of the points, you can just take your list, see one of the key points, and then again start speaking. My next tip is make short clips. While in the last point we talked about that you can write all your keywords. Now, while making your short clips, the benefit is that it's easy to export, easy to edit, and easy to manage for you also. So if you make short clips, that's a lot of beneficial for you. And even I have tried this a lot of times and this has been really beneficial. So if while you are making small points, in each point you can cover each clip. I mean, you can cover each point in each clip. Like, supposedly I have 5 points, so I can make 5 different clips, and that can be to 7 clips also because one introductory clip and one ending clip. So you can do this way too. I do in my systematic manner is that editing. Like in the last tip, I told you about how I make short clips so that it's very easy for editing, managing, and for uploading. So while editing, I always take all the small clips, export them, and you can just edit them on any of the softwares. If you are confused in using the softwares or you are like which software to use, you can watch my video on how to edit your video upon your desktop and how to edit your video upon your phone from my channel Kids Tech E-Launch. And don't forget to subscribe it. Is thumbnail. After I am ended up with editing my video, I go on to the next step, thumbnail. When my video is edited and exported, the whole video is totally changed. Not totally, but many of its points are totally changed. So from them, I take out a stilt. I just pause the video on the best point. I think this is the best tilt. I just pause the point of the video, take a screenshot out of it, and export it into Canva. In Canva, I design my thumbnail by adding my title, adding my captions, and adding many more elements to make my thumbnail beautiful. Is uploading. So while uploading or before uploading, like I'm writing my title and description, I just prefer to search about it. I prefer to search about what's the search volume of that and will this title work better or the other ones would work better. So I do the keyword research, keywords and tags research, and then I try to write my whole description. And the final step you all know is to export the video or to upload the video. All in today's video. I hope you all liked the video and I hope you all got a few tips about how to edit your video systematically, and I hope all of you would follow the same thing with your videos too, because this one has helped me a lot. So thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel Kids Tech E-Launch. Do like this video, and if you have any suggestions for me or is there any topic you want me to upload a video upon, please do write it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.